flying around. Feel free to get up and take pictures of this beautiful landscape. Ask questions. I'll try to answer the best that I can, and if I can't, take something else. Enjoy your ride across.
Ito kasama natin sa tour eh. Yung guide natin nasa loob pa. Nasa washroom pa yung guide natin.
This is amazing. Look at this.
走呀！
你先走嘛，你先走。
哎，把那个手机给我。
现在可以吃了吗？
现在可以。
哎，刚才说了吗？
来给我洗工。
Yeah, follow mommy.
Wow, it is so beautiful.
Look there. Picture mo kami dito.
Binibideo ko na kayo.
Okay. Come on, Mia.
A book? A book. That is a book.